Unit 4. In the Unit 3, we have discussed the discrete probability distribution. In the Unit 4, we will discuss continuous probability distributions. Students, in general, there are more discrete distributions also, but in our syllabus, only these are there most commonly used and most important distributions which were in our syllabus. There are more distributions also, but we are learning only basic, that much depth is not required. Okay. Now, in this Unit 4, we will study continuous distributions. So, there will be mainly three distribution. First one is normal distribution, the most important and the most practical distribution is called normal distribution. Normal distribution. Then second one is gamma distribution. Gamma distribution. So just 1 minute. Gamma distribution, and the special case of gamma distribution is exponential distribution. So two distributions are there only. So this chapter is more easy as compared to the chapter 3, gamma distribution. And the third one is exponential. So why I am telling there are only two? Because this exponential distribution is a particular case of gamma distribution. Means if you know gamma distribution, then you know the exponential distribution also. Okay. Students, you have to try this MCQ question of Unit 3 also. Okay. So if we have time, like if we got some lecture, like 2 extra lecture were there, but if we have those 2 lectures, then definitely I will discuss the MCQ of Unit 3 also. Otherwise, I will plan extra class where I will discuss the MCQs. Okay. Now I will discuss the normal distribution. Okay. Okay. So before discussing the normal distribution, let me move this problem below it. Okay. So what is normal distribution? In the Unit 1 also uh, the talk about the normal distribution came, that the distribution which have this kind of symmetric diagram, that if I draw that distribution, the diagram is symmetric on both sides. So I hope this is now well. Okay. So if you have this kind of diagram, students, this bell-shaped diagram, which is symmetric on both sides. Symmetric on both sides means if I put a mirror in between and I make a image of this, if I take image of this left side, then it will come to the right side. Okay. Or if I fold the paper from the center, then this blue line on the right side will meet on the blue line on the left side. Okay. So this kind of shape is there of the normal distribution. Okay. In every distribution, we have some parameters. Like in the binomial distribution, we have our parameters were number of trials n, probability of success p, and x. X was number of success required. Okay. In the same way, in the normal distribution, we also have the parameters. So what do we know? Like if I know about in the binomial distribution, if I know about the number of trials, if I know about the number of success, and if I know about the probability of success, then I can find all distribution as I have shown you in the Excel. Okay. Now, in the same way, in the normal distribution. So first of all, this normal distribution is a continuous distribution. It is a continuous distribution. It is a bell-shaped diagram, and the parameters in this are mean and variance. A mean and standard deviation, basically. Mean is mu, and standard deviation is sigma. If you know the mean and standard deviation of a distribution, of the normal distribution, then you can tell all the probabilities. Then you can find all the probabilities. So we need to know only two things in normal distribution. One is mean, and other is standard deviation. So in the normal distribution, we need to know only two parameters. One is mean, other is standard deviation. Okay. And the density function of normal distribution we denote by n x comma mu comma sigma. Mu is mean, sigma is standard deviation. Okay. So just I have told you only one thing till now, that the graph of normal distribution is symmetric, and if you draw any line in the center, it will same on the left side and on the right side. Okay. Okay. So now I will share my notepad. So students, we have a very symmetric diagram. Okay. And if you want to find the probability, so this is a density function, probability density function of normal distribution. And now if you want to find the probability that this is A point, this is B point. If you want to find the probability that X will be between A to B, what are the chance that X is between A to B? So how we find the probability? You need to go to the unit 1 from the density function. How we find the probability? By doing the integration. Right? We have to do the integration from A to B. But students, in the unit, this normal distribution, you don't need to do integration. Okay? Because what is the meaning of integration? Integration gives us area under the graph. Area under the graph from the point A to point B. The good news is that we already have prepared one table. In the table, we are given these areas, and if we know this area means integration. It means we know the integration. So what we have to do, we have to see the value from the table, and then we will know the probability. Okay. So is this clear? So in the normal distribution, there are two parameters. One is mean is mu, and standard deviation is sigma. Okay, let me go to directly problems so that you will understand. Before going to problems, as I have told you, there are two parameters. Mu is equal to mean, and standard deviation is equal to sigma. If mean is 1, if mean is 0, if mu is equal to 0, and sigma is equal to 1, then normal distribution is called standard normal distribution. Then normal distribution is called standard normal distribution. Standard normal distribution. Okay, so mean 0 and standard deviation 1. This is asked in MCQ, that when a distribution is standard normal distribution, when a distribution is called standard normal distribution, if mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1, or you can say variance is 1, because sigma square will also 1. Mean 0, variance 1, then we say normal distribution is called standard normal distribution. This is an MCQ question. Okay. Now you can convert any of the normal distribution into standard normal distribution using this transformation. Z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. This is a very important formula which is going to be used at many places in the question of normal distribution. So this Z denote the standard normal distribution. If you have any other normal distribution represented by x, then you can convert this into standard normal distribution, that is z. The mean of z will be 0, and uh, this standard deviation will be 1. Okay, so let us do one question directly. Let us do one question. Given a standard normal distribution, find the area under the curve that lies left to the z is equal to minus 1.39. So what this problem is asking to us, given the standard normal distribution, it means we are given a standard normal distribution. So this kind of diagram you will make before doing the question. Okay. Now, this center value in the standard normal distribution. What is the center value? What is the mean in the standard normal distribution? You can see here, I have told you the mean is 0. Mean in the standard normal distribution is 0, and so center will be 0. So this is the point z is equal to 0. Always center will be z is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, students. Now we have to find area under the curve, area under this curve, which is left to the point z is equal to minus 1.39. So where will be z is equal to minus 1.39? So it will be somewhere here, minus 1.39. So this is z is equal to minus 1.3. And what we have to find? Area on the left side of this. So you will draw this kind of line. What is the left side? So left side is this one. So this area we have to find. Is this clear? This area we have to find. This is the question. Question is clear. Solution is very easy. First question should be clear. So is question clear to all? Standard normal distribution is given, and we have to find area under this normal standard normal diagram on the left side of point z is equal to 1.39. Is this clear? Ritik, Anmol, Vishal, Aryan, Diksha, Rajiv, Revant, Kaushal, Ankit, Hitesh, Divya, Komal. So I am not getting any response today from your side. Actually, I think the last questions of Poisson distribution may have confused you. But students, now we have to think afresh. Okay, so think afresh means because new unit has been started, unit 4, and this unit is simple if you understand the concept. Okay, so first I have told you what is the meaning of normal distribution. Normal distribution is a symmetric distribution whose diagram is of bell shaped. Okay, there is a probability density function formula also, but I don't want to tell you that right now in the beginning. So first I am doing the simple questions, and the simple questions will lead to us at good point. Okay, then I will tell you what is the probability density function of normal distribution. Okay, that the probability density function will not be used in any of the question. Okay, so we have to find area which is on the left side of this diagram. So students, how to find this area? So now we have to learn to see this table. Okay, so there are two kind of tables of normal distribution. In one table, we are given the area from 0 to right side of the diagram. Okay, or there is one second type of this table also. In this table, we are given the area on the left side of this point. So both the tables we can use to find or to solve our question. Okay. So for example, how you will see and how you will find out the area. So now you have to find the left side area. So first I'm using this tip. Now first you will see the value of z. So you can see here on the top left there is a z value. So let me this highlight in this way. So this is the z value written here. Okay. Now can somebody put in the comments what was the point if you have noted down? Which point was there in the first part? So let me go to that directly if you have not noted. So the point was z is equal to minus 1.39. Minus 1.39. So what we will do in the table, first of all, you will see minus 1.3. So this is minus 1.3. Okay. Now you have to see minus 1.39. So minus 1.3 you have seen on the left side. Then in the top, you will see 0.09. So you can see here, this is in the end 0.09. Now what you will do, you will match this minus 1.3 horizontally with 0.09 vertically. So if I match here, so this row, this row, this row, so this value is coming out 0.0823. So this is the area which is on the left side of minus 1.39. So students, is this clear how I am finding out the left side area using this second table? Is this clear to you? Or should I repeat this? Okay. Okay, so answer of the first part. Let me I forgot the answer. The answer was 0.0823. 0.0823. 0.0823. So students, right, good. So some students are noting down, and so this area that I am highlighting in this yellow color, this area is this area is 0.02 or 0.823 as mentioned in the comments also. Now, students, I will do this same question with the other table also, because in the exam we may be given the left side value and we may be given the right side value also. So before doing the next question, let me let's this in another way. Let me ask you one simple question. What is the total area under the normal the standard normal distribution or any normal distribution also? So what is the total area under this graph? What is this total area? Let me see who can answer. How many of you know? What is the total area under the graph of standard normal distribution? So only one student have answered. Others don't know. What is the total area under the graph of normal distribution? I'm asking about this whole thing, that how much total area is there under this graph. So total area under the normal graph or standard normal graph is 1. So you can write this remark. This is important point. The total area under the normal graph is 1. The total area is 1. Why it is 1? Because total probability from minus infinity to plus infinity. Second property of probability density function, that should be 1. Okay, if you do total integral from minus infinity to plus infinity, the answer should be 1. Integral means area under the graph. So total area should be 1. So it should happen always whenever there is a probability density function. Area under that should always 1. So area under the normal distribution is 1. Okay. Now if I ask you how much area will be there. So if this is the center of the standard normal distribution, center is 0. So center is z is equal to 0. So if this is the center, then how much area will be there on the right side of this? Right side area total, full right side area, how much will be this? So let me see, is there anyone who can tell? Yes, exactly 1. Yes, exactly 1, 1, 1, always 1. Now I'm asking on the right side, how much area will be there? So hint is, this is symmetric diagram. The diagram is symmetric. On the center, it is symmetric. Now total area is 1. So how much area will be on the right side total? On the right side, that in the green color. So it will be only one student answering. Please, I need the response from all students so that I can know whatever I am talking. You guys are knowing that or not. Okay. Only 3-4 students, those students are responding only, right? 50%, right? Good. 0.5, right? Because total is 1 and this diagram is symmetric around the center. So on one side there will be 0.5, half area, right? Good. Okay. So now I will do the same part A with the other table. Okay. Why I'm doing with other table? Because in the exam you may be given the other table or other table value also. The table is not given, but the values are given. Okay. The values are given in this way. But how? Like if they give you the first table value, so they will tell you in this way that probability that z is less than minus 1.39. So they will give you this probability. So they will give you this is 0.0823. They will give you this. So you have to understand probability means integration. Integration means area under the graph in the continuous case. Okay. Now I am saying I will use the second table. Second table was so student. This is the second table. In the second table, what we are given? We are given only area from 0 to z value. 0 to z value. Okay. Uh, Now we have to find area to the left side of minus 1.39. Okay. So before doing this, I have to tell you one more thing. Okay. So I have told you till now that on one side it is 0.5 total. Okay. Next question I am asking you is simple question from normal distribution. That if this is a diagram, I have to learn how to draw this diagram in a symmetric way. Okay. Okay. Students, mhm, not symmetric, but let us, we don't want to waste our time in this way. Okay. So my question is, this is the center. Center is z is equal to 0 or mean is 0. And you know that in the first part you have found what is the area on the left side of minus 1.39. So you have found this area. Okay. And if this side is minus 1.39, exactly same on the right, there will be this point 1.39. On the other side, you have minus 1.39. On the right side, you will have 1.39. Okay. Now this diagram is symmetric. So as much as the area there will be on the left side of as much as area there is on the left side of minus 1.39, the same area will be there on the right side of 1.39 due to symmetry, because this is symmetric on both sides, and z is equal to 0 is the center. So now how much area was there on this side? 0.0823. So if you know the left side area, you can also know the right side area to the positive side. So this will also 0.0823. And if you know the area on the right side of this, then you can also know the area on the left side of minus 1.39. Okay. Now this logic we have to use to do this using the second table. Okay. Now in the second table, how to see the value? Okay. So first of all, again, you will see on the left side, first you will find 1.3. Student, this is 1.3 I have highlighted in the green. Okay. First you will always see one digit after decimal, that will be on the left side of the table. Okay. So 1.3 is there. In the exam, this table will not be given. I will tell you how the value will be given. Okay. So 1.3 is here. Then you will find 9. So 9 is here on the top, 0.09. So now you will match this horizontal and vertical. So 1.39 on the right side, if I go, and this is the value. Okay. So this is the value 0.4177. So what is this value as per this diagram? This is the area between 0 and z is equal to 1.39. So let me tell you. Let me do it on this workbook. Okay. So which area was given by the second table? So the area given by the second table is this one. The second table gives us this kind of area between 0 and 1.39, and the value was 0.477. So this value was 0.477. Okay, and she has taken her food. Okay. So now, suppose you don't know this. Okay, and you have to find this left side area. So what logic you will use, students? So you have to find the left side, and in the exam you are given what value? You are given area between 0 and 1.39. Area between 0 and 1.39 is given. That area is 0.477. You understand? Area means probability, because area means integration means probability. So this yellow color area is given in the exam, and you are asked find the area on the left side of minus 1.39. Okay. So you are asked this question. So how you will proceed? So who will tell me in the comments? Can somebody tell this answer? The question is, we are given the probability that z will be between 0 and 1.39 is 0.477. This is given to us, and we are asked find the probability that z is less than minus 1.39 in the normal distribution. Okay. So how we will do this question? So first you will say, because normal distribution is symmetric, so as much as area will be there for z less than minus 1.39, the same will be there for z greater than 1.39. So as much as is on the left side, same will be on the right side. Okay. Now you are given between 0 to 1.39. So this yellow color is given. And you know the total area on the right side. Total area on the right side of the center is half. So this total is half. So what you will do, from half, you will subtract area of 0 to 1.39. So if you subtract probability of z between 0 and 1.39, so what you will get? You will get the green color area. So that is 0.5 minus 0.477. So if you do this minus, you will get 0.023. No. Let me see. Everything is fine. I have done it correctly. 0. Out of 500, if I am subtracting this 477, I hope I have written it correctly, right? 0.5 minus 0.023. But our answer in the previous case was 0.823. How it is possible? Let me see what mistake we are making. So 0.5 minus 0.477. 0.023 is coming. But this should come actually 0.0823. So let me see once again the table. Okay, we may have done the mistakes in looking at the values from the table. Yeah, here is a mistake. Okay, so you know that this value I found was actually 4177, 0.4177. Okay, and I have written there 0.477. Okay. So this was the mistake. Actually, this probability is 0.4177. So it should be 0.4177. So if you now subtract, so and now you will get definitely you will get 0.0823. Okay, so that means I found this right side area is 0.0823, and due to symmetry, so this left side will also 0.0823. Okay, right. Is this clear, students? Now let us do the B part. So B part is now we have to find the area. Now we have to find the area on the right side of z is equal to 1.96. Z is equal to 1.96. Okay. So multiple time I think I don't need to draw the diagram. So if I can let me copy this diagram directly multiple times. This is not possible. Copy it. Okay. Let us draw now. So this is a normal distribution. I will now draw rough diagrams. Okay. In the exam, you can draw this kind of diagram. Center is 0. So somewhere here we will have the point, 1 point. What was the point? 1.96. Positive point. That is why it will be on right side. And we have to find to the right of z is equal to this. So this is z is equal to 0. This is z is equal to 1. So right side, this one. So this area we have to find that I have shaded in the red color. Okay. So again, any table you can use, but because in the exam anything can be given to us, so we need to know both the cases. So first possibility is you are given this whole thing, this left side thing. So if this left side thing is given, means you will be given probability of z less than 1.96, yellow color. Okay. And what will be it? Let us see from the diagram, from the chart. So now I will use the left because left side. So for left side, I am using this table. Okay, so the point was 1.96. So first we will see 1.96 on the left. So this is 1.9 on the left, and then we will see 0.06 from the top. 0.06. This is 0.06 from the top, and then we will match horizontal and vertical. So if I match this horizontally here, so this is the value 0.9750. So it means we may be given that this is 0.9750, and we are asked to find the right side. Okay. So you know that total is 1, total area is 1, yellow color area is this one. So how you will find the reticular area? Probability of Z greater than 1.96 greater than equal to. So in continuous, this single point does not matter whether you include or do not include. Okay. The probability of Z greater than equal to 1.96 is 1 minus this left side 0.9750. So which is coming out to be, I think, 0.0250. I hope I am correct. Okay. So I don't know whether I am correct or not. Yeah, I think I am correct. Okay. So in this way, so if you are given the second table value, in the second table value, you will be given the this probability that between 0 and 1.96. So what you will do, because you know on the right side, on this whole right side, the area is half. So from half, you will subtract this shaded lines on the between 0 and 1.96. You will subtract this area from half, you will get the right side area. This one, right to minus 1, right to plus 1.96. So students, is this clear? Is this clear? Or any doubt is there in the finding areas or understanding the symmetry of normal diagram? So can we use our logic if we are asked left side and we are given right side, how to subtract from the total value, how to subtract from the half of the value? These things should be clear so that I can move to the next type of question now. Okay. Now second variety of question is, so here we are given everything in terms of Z. Okay. And we are told that it is already standard normal distribution. In the question it was mentioned it is standard normal distribution. The table that we have, the table is only for the standard normal distribution. That is not for others. It does not cover all normal distribution. So if you are given other normal distribution, then you can convert them in standard normal distribution using this formula. Which formula? This one. Let me highlight this one. That Z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. So what is purpose of this formula? If x is any normal random variable, then you subtract the mean and divide by standard deviation. Then it will become standard normal random variable. Okay, standard normal distribution it will become. And once it is standard normal distribution, we have the table, and we can use the table, or the values that will be given to us, that will be always in terms of Z. Okay, let me do one question of this type. Okay. I think I should pick some question from the previous year papers. If there is any kind of this question is there. Otherwise, first let me pick the normal question, then I will see if this problem is there in the previous year papers. Okay. So now I have a question. That question is now on your screen. I hope you can see this. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Now we are given normal distribution. Okay. given normal distribution. So this is normal distribution. This is not standard normal distribution. Keep in mind, this is normal distribution. First, we need to convert everything in terms of standard normal distribution. Okay. So this is normal distribution with mean mu is equal to 30 and standard deviation sigma is equal to 6. Mean 30, standard deviation 6. And what we have to find? Find the normal curve area. We have to find the normal curve area that is on the right side of x is equal to 17. Okay. Is this clear? So students, as I have told you, in the exam, the values will be given in terms of z. The values will not given in terms of x. You will be given only standard normal distribution. This is normal distribution. So first we need to convert these values in terms of z. Okay. So how we convert x in terms of z? The formula is x minus mu divided by sigma. This is life-saving formula for unit 4, you can see, for the normal distribution at least. Okay. Now, so what is x in the first part? X is 17. So put 17 here. Minus mu. Mu is 30. So put 30 here. And divide by 6. Very good. Roshan knows it. Okay. So z value is minus 13 divided by 6, which is minus 2.17. Roshan, I am following you. Okay. Minus 1.27. Now, what we have to find? Normal curve area to the right. Right side area we have to find. Okay. Right of minus 2.17. Okay. So students, first you will make the diagram now. What you will do? You will make a diagram. So your diagram don't need to be exactly symmetric. You can make the rough kind of diagram like me. Now you will, in this diagram, you can tell that this is my center. Center in the normal distribution, standard normal distribution is z is equal to 0. Center is z is equal to 0. And now the point is given minus 1.27. So negative point, so negative side it will be, so somewhere here we have z is equal to minus 2.17 on the left side. Okay. And in the question, we are asked to find normal curve area to the right of this point. X is equal to 17. 17 means in the Z, 17 means minus 2.17. So on the right side of this, we have to find the area. Right side means this. This we have to find. Now in the exam, there are two possibilities. Either you will be given, one possibility is you are given the left side, this in the green. So how it will be given? So you will be told probability that Z is less than minus 2.17. This probability is, so I have to see what is the actually the probability. So from the table, let me tell you the actual minus 2.17. So this diagram tell the left side area minus 2.1. So 2.1. So this is 2.1 here, minus 2.1. And we need to minus 2.17. So we'll go to 0.07. So this one. So minus 2.17 will be here. I hope I am correct. Yes. So that is 0.0150. So this area is 0.0150, and we are asked to find this area to the right side of this. Okay, so you are given this less than equal to side, and you are asked for the greater than equal to side. Okay, so they will not tell you that greater than or less than. They will just give you this value. They will give you only this value in the exam. Okay, you have to decide that what does it means, because it is less than equal to minus 1 2.1. It means they have given you this green color area 0.0150. Now in the question they ask you to find this right side of this, means yellow color area. So total area under the normal distribution, standard normal distribution is 1. So what will be area for z greater than minus 2.17? So that is 1 minus area on the uh, right side, left side of 2.17. Okay, so 1 minus 0.0150, which is so 0. I think if you subtract this from 0.00, so we will have 5, 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 0, 9, 0. Okay, so you'll have 0.9850. Okay, well, this is one possibility, that they will give you this value and they will ask you to find this value. Second possibility, let me tell you what they can do. Second possibility is possibility number 2. They will give you the area between 0 and 2.17. So which area I'm talking about? So this is the 2.17. Okay, so they will give you, now I'm erasing this yellow color. Oh. Okay, now they will give you this area between 0 and 2.17. 0 and 2.17. Okay, so in the yellow color you can see, so this area will be given and you have to find area on the right side of 2.17. So students, can somebody tell me what should our approach in this case? We are given this area, this shaded area, and so this is I don't know how much, so I can see from table. Now I have to use the other table which gives zero area between 0 and z. So 2.1, so this is 2.1, and we have 7 also, so 0.7, 0.07. Now we need to match. So if you match here, this is 0.4850. 0.4850. So this will be 0.4850. Okay, this is green, this yellow color shaded region, this much is given. So now we have to find all the area which is on the right side of minus 2.17. So how we can do it? So my logic is that because there is symmetry, so this yellow color area means this one and this one, they were same. Let me do in green color, or let me choose some other color, because green color is also there in the lab. Let us choose the pink color. Oh. Now So the pink color area and yellow color area is same because symmetry is here. One side is between 0 to 2.17, other side is between 0 to minus 2.17. Both sides there is symmetry. So this pink color area will be how much? Pink color area will also 0.4850. Now we have to find all the area which is on the right side of 2.17. Now you know this pink color area, and what is the area on the right side of 0? Total area on the right side of 0. Total area on the right side of 0 is 0.5. So I know that Roshan have answered 0.97. Roshan, you forget to take this right side means whole full right side. So you forget this one. Okay. So you see this between on the right side of 0. First of all, you see full right side of 0. That is half. Full right side of 0 is half. And this pink color is 0.4850. Okay. So let me do it. This all calculation here. So what do you want to find? We want to find probability that we want to find the area that is on the right side of minus 2.17. Okay, right. So that area will be area of the pink color. Pink color area means between minus 2.17 and 0 plus area between 0 and infinity, or you can say just greater than 0. Okay, on the right side means greater than 0. Area of when z is greater than 0. So this right side area is half 0.5 because you know total area is one side is half, other side is half, and this pink color area is 0.4850. So if you add this, you will get 0.9850. So which is same because we are finding the same area in two different ways. Because why I'm finding in two different ways, question can be asked in two different ways. Okay. In the exam, they can give you this or they can give you this. Everything will be clear once you make the diagram. Okay. Diagram is important. Symmetry you have to understand, and then everything will be easy for us. Now let us do B part. In the B part, let me in the B part, we have to find the normal curve area to the left of x is equal to 22. Normal curve area on the left of x is equal to 22. So first of all, we need to convert all the terms in standard normal distribution. Now x is 22 in the B part. So first we need to convert this in terms of z. Okay. So let us convert this in terms of z using our conversion formula. I have told you lifeline of unit 4 for the normal distribution. Okay. So if somebody is feeling difficulty, then always keep this formula in mind. At least 1-2 marks you will get. Okay. So let us use this. Now x value is given 22 minus mean value. Mean was 30, I think, and sigma was 6. So this value will be minus 8 by 6, which is minus 1.33. Okay, Roshan have done. Good. Minus 1.3. So z is minus 1.33. अंकित अंकित कुमार चौधरी, भाई अब तुमने रिस्पॉन्स देना बंद कर दिया? कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा तुम्हें अब? अंकित, Is everything fine? Earlier you used to respond well, but now I think you are not responding. Means in the chat you are responding, but earlier you used to uh, speak on the this. Let me unmute you. Hello, Ankit, present or not? Absent? I think Ankit is offline. Ankit is offline. No, Ankit is online. Ankit is present, and I can see him. Okay. Okay, so let us complete this second part. Now z is equal to minus 1.33. So should we find the left or right? What is asked in the question? So we are asked find the area to the left side of x is equal to 22. Okay. So left side means so this is a normal diagram, rough diagram I will draw as I have told you now. So this is the center and minus because it is a negative value. So it will be on the negative side minus 1.33 and we are asked the left side area. So left side means this area that I have shaded here. This we have to find. Okay. Now many things are there like they may give you. So I will ask you the difficult one. Like they may give you 1.3. They will give you what is the they will give you the probability that z is between 0 and 1.33. This probability is 1.33 0.4082. 0.4082. This will be given in the paper and find the this one, whatever is mentioned in the question. They will in the extra terms they will ask you find the probability that x is less than 22. So less than 22 means in terms of that we have converted 22 was minus 1.33. So we have to find this one and we are given this between 0 and 1.33. So we are given this side. Okay. So this much is given. This yellow color is given. We have to find this shaded region in the this one on the left side. Let me color it with the red color. So this we have to find. Now because the diagram is symmetric, so whatever area is there on the left side of minus 1.33, same will be there on the right side of 1.33. Now you know the area with this yellow color area. You know the yellow color area is given. This one 0.4082 and so what you can do just simply because you know on the half on the right side of 0 total area is half, so from the half you subtract the yellow color area you will get the red color area. So red color area, so this will be so first of all you will write that this is same as probability of z greater than 1.33 means red color. And then you will write this is equal to 0.5 total on the right side minus yellow color. Yellow color is the given between 0 and 1.33. So you will get 0.5 minus this. So what is it? Now I have to do minus 0.28, 0 minus 2, 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 0, 9, and 4 minus 4, 0. So I have done it correctly or I have done some mistake. I hope it is correct. Let me check. Let me verify my answer. So verify because second diagram directly give the left side area. So 1.33. So 1.33. Yes. 0.0918. Okay, correct. Students, is there any doubt in finding area, finding the probabilities on left side, right side? Can we move to okay? So second part you can do, third part you can do. Now fourth part. The value of x that has 80% of the normal curve area to the left side. This is the interesting question. This is a little bit different. The D part I will do because I know that you can do C part. So D part we have to do. Find the value of x that has 80% area of the normal curve on the left. So 80% area is on the left. We have to find the value of z. So students, this is center, z is equal to 0. You know, this left side is half, right side is half. Now they are asking, find out the z value so that the total area on the left side is 80%. So what is 80% of total is 1. So 80% of 1 is 0.8. So you need to find what will be the value of z so that the left side area is this 0.8 or 80%. This question clear first of all. Sir, can we minus from 1? So what you want to minus from 1? 844 you asked. You are asking for this question 844. Can we minus from 1? Or you are asking for the previous part, B part. B part, okay. From 1, what you want to minus? The left side? If you want to minus from the 1, then you should know the total area on the left side. Total area on the, like, in that case, you need to know how much is this full. Let me do this shading. So in that case, you have to know all this from 1.32 up to this much. All you have to know. Okay. So then only you can minus it from 1. Is a doubt clear? Okay. Okay. So now let us do the last part. They ask find the z value now. They ask find the x value. Okay. So what we will do, we will first find z value and then we will convert it in x value. So we have to find z value so that we have to find x value so that 80% of the area is on the left side. 80% because total area is 1, so 80% means 0.1. Okay, so this color, which color, what is it called? I don't know the colors. So a little bit blue color it is. Okay, a sea color it seems maybe. And not don't. Okay, okay. So we have to find this z. So first of all, we will see in the table. Okay, now if table is not given, then what we will do? So in that case, we will be given something, but for the time being, uh, table will not be given in the exam. We will be given some probability. Okay. So I am finding where is the 0.8 in this table. Here is a 0.8 in this table. So 0.8, 0.8. Okay. So this is the nearest value to 0.8, which is 0.8023, and this value is coming out at 0.85. So this value is coming out 0.85. So from the table we have seen that this much area comes when z is equal to 0. I forget now myself. 0.85. Z is equal to 0.85. Okay, but we have to find the value of x. You know what is the relation between z and x? So z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. Now z you have found, put here 0.85. X you have to find, and mu is 30 and sigma is 6. So you multiply this here and then find the x value. So x will be 30 plus 6 into 0.85. Okay. And in this question, okay, Roshan have find 0.79. Okay, right, good. 0.7995 is more near as compared to 0.8023. Good observation. Very good. So I am impressed that you have pointed out that this is a more near value as compared to. So actually, students, the 0.7995 is more near to 0.8 as compared to 0.8023. So this comes at 0.84. Okay. So 0.84 should I have to take. So this point should be 0.84. So 0.84, 6 into 0.84. Okay, so the answer will be, so answer is calculated. Nobody calculated. Okay, so you can calculate the answer. Do not want to go in the calculation. Now, last part, we need to find two values of x that contains middle 75% of the normal curve area. Okay. So students, middle 75% of the area we want to cover between two values. So we cannot find the value of x, we can only find the value of z first. So first we will draw standard normal distribution with the center z is equal to 0. And we have to find two values of z first. So let us call the first value z1, second value z2, so that they cover how much area in the center. So the center is 75%. So 75% means 0.75. Okay, in the center. So because this area is in the middle and this area is in the center, so Roshan, I found the answer of the previous question. Exact value is 35.04. Okay, good. And now students, we have to find two values so that the center area is, middle area is 0.75. Now because they're asking about the central area or middle area, so Z1 and Z2 must be same in magnitude, but their sign will be opposite. It means Z2 is equal to minus of Z1 because they're asking the middle area, the central area. Okay. So because these two are equal and opposite, it means this area on the right side and this area on the left side will be equal. Okay. So let us call this as A and this as also A. Now students, let us say what area we want to find is B. Okay, or this the area is given, we want to find the point basically. The central area is 0.75, total area is 1. It means A plus 0.75 plus A, this is equal to 1 because total area is 1. So it means 2A is equal to 1 minus 0.75. It means 2A is equal to 0.25 or A is equal to 0.125. Is this clear? So I have found the A. Now, if I know the A, and if the left side, this value will be given, either this left side value will be given. If the left side value is given, then we are done. Then we can find this Z1. Okay. So let us see the table. Now, left side area was 0.125. So I will see where is 0.125. Yes, here is exact value is there, 0.125 area. This is occurring at minus 2.24. This is occurring at, so it means Z1 is equal to minus 2.14. So Z2 will be plus 2.14, and then we will convert these values in terms of X. Student, instead of left side area, we may be given in the exam, we may be given the this area also, we may be given that this one. Okay, this one may be given. So from there also we have to get the idea. Okay, if you are given between 0 to Z2, then because it is a center and you divide 0.75 by 2, you will get the right side. So you can find the point Z2 from there also. Is this clear? So now I have 5 minutes remaining. I will take your feedbacks. And in the normal distribution, I have just today started and unit 4. And in the normal distribution, we never need to do the integration. Without integration, we have to solve the question. Okay. Currently, we are understanding how to find the probabilities. To find the probabilities, we have to find the area. After that, I will do some practical example. So let me put one question so that you can think about this question. Okay, this is also easy example, but let me ask you this. How the questions are framed in the exam. One simple question is now in front of you. So this is the way in which the question will be framed, and you will be given some probabilities in terms of Z. You will be given probabilities in terms of Z. So you will be given some probabilities here, okay? And you will be asked these things. So let X be normally distributed and mean of X is 12. So mean is given. Standard deviation is also given 4. And you are asked find the following probabilities. So first you have to find the probability that X is bigger than or equal to 20. So what you will do? First you will convert this 20 in terms of Z. Okay. So what is the conversion lifeline? X minus mu divided by sigma. So X is how you want to convert this 20. So 20 minus mu is 12, mean is 12, and divided by sigma is 4. So 8 by 4 is 2. So this will be equal to probability of Z greater than 2. And in the exam, you will be given probability of Z greater than 2. Or you may be given the opposite also, like you may be given probability of Z less than 2. And you have to find for greater than or equal to 2. So that you can do total 1 minus an opposite. Or you may be given between 0 and 2. So suppose you are given between 0 and 2, then what you will do? Now you have to find for greater than or equal to 2, and you are given between 0 to 2. So can somebody tell me in comments? Make the diagram, then you will be more clear if you don't understand this. Can somebody tell me in comments how you will find? Okay, we will do this in the next class. Any suggestion, or if you guys have some problems, previous year questions, you are trying them and you are not able to solve, then please tell me. Today, what I am going to do in your group, I will send the questions which appear in the multiple exams. Okay, so you can check whether are you able to capable, do you feel that you are able, you are comfortable in the first three units, and in the unit 4 also you are getting some idea or not. Okay, so now I am sharing these questions in your group. Okay, so you